Okay. Welcome back, budgeters. We are on day two. What? Yes, we are on day two. And so day two's video is getting ready to feed the biggie right here. Do you see her? She needs a name, y'all. She don't have a name. She's so cute. She needs a name. She's really fat too. So hopefully she's going to be able to hold all $667.95. We are going to complete this challenge. Okay, right? When I say all these shadows, I don't have my ring light on me, y'all. But she needs a name, and I'm not even going to put no we're not even going to know the dollar amount. We don't even going to do that because we're just going to keep it on the tracker. But look, she needs a name, y'all. She needs a name, don't you? Don't you need a name? Yes. So, to all my new subscribers, welcome back to my channel, and to my oldies and goodies who've been here from day one. Well, welcome. We are actually going on year 3, y'all. Be like year 3, like around June. I cannot believe this. And I've been sticking it out too, even with all the setbacks, even with having to unstuff my saving challenges and my emergency funds and all that. For 3 times I had to do that, y'all. So even with all that, I am still at it, right? I'm still, look, nope, I ain't letting that stop me. I'm just going to keep going, right? This year is going to be a better year. We're going to put it out there. This year, we are going to complete some things. This year, we're going to have that $1,000 in emergency fund. We are going to do it. I'm already in a grind mind setting. I just got to put it to motion. So I have a lot of things that I just need to do, and I am going to get them done. So that's what this, that's what this consistency thing is all about. So we are on day 2. Day 1 video we did already. That was on our sinking funds. And now we are going to stuff. Hey, hi the Piggy Wiggy. Yeah, so now we're going to stuff her. Anybody got a name for her? She needs a name. I can't even think of a name for you. No, I cannot, cutie pie. But we're going to go ahead and get started. Yes, I'm going to go ahead and be fast forwarding it because y'all are not going to sit here and watch me get into all this change here. Look at all that change. Y'all not going to sit through all that. I'm not even going to put y'all through all that. So we will go a little fast. So I'll probably speed it up. Just play a little bit of music in the background, a little bit of something, and see what we get here, okay? And so we're going to go ahead and do it. And I'll be right back with you guys, okay? Bye. Oh, not bye. As if
in the quiet, I hear the truth.
All right, that's it, y'all. Let me take a guess of how much we actually fed the pig today. How much did we feed her? I had a lot of change, and that's not even all the change, but that's all the change we're going to do for today. There we go. So she just needs a name, and the cutie pie needs a name, don't you? You need a name, cutie pie. Okay, so let's go on and see what we all did today. Let's calculate it, and Grace says my battery in there. Okay, so we did 0.68 plus $1 plus 2.05. Oop, what? Plus $1 plus 2.05 plus 2.21 plus 3.61 plus 3.62 plus 3.63 plus 3.64 plus 3.65. Oops. We stuffed her today $24.09. Can you believe that? It was $24 and change, y'all? $24.09. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm gonna put a start date here. 1/1/26. So I don't know how often we'll do the penny challenge. I may do it offline on a thing, but it just depends on how much pennies we add, how many pennies we get, like how we add up. Hopefully I can do it weekly, and so it don't have to be, we won't be doing $24, but we already $24 in. So, and if we subtract that from 667.95, just saying, we need $643.86 more. We got this. All right, so once again, I want to thank all my new subscribers, all my old subscribers. This is day 2 of my 31-day I don't 31 day journey, 31 day videos for YouTube. I want to call it 31 day of saving challenges, but every day it may be saving money and it may not be, but we're striving for saving money every day. So we'll see how they go. But we did do the penny challenge for today. Okay, thank you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.